hello. Weird. That's the only dancing that I really like is tap dancing. Maybe because I can just take out my frustrations on the floor or whatever. It makes fun sounds. Hello, my name is Kevin Robinson. I am a technical support specialist at Gateway Ticketing Systems. I help customers implement new features, roll out a new module that they've purchased across their environment, help with advanced troubleshooting issues. What do I like most about my job? Probably the interactions that I have with customers, the relationships that I can build with customers while we're, sitting and configuring a section of Galaxy, helping them learn to fish, so to speak, imparting knowledge so that they can then go out and continue building out a feature or doing more advanced things with the knowledge that they have. I've been at Gateway for 9 years and a couple of days? About 9 years and a month, yeah. I was a theater and dance major in college. I did ballet, I did modern, I don't do those well, I tap pretty well. And left college and went right into technology sales, business-to-business tech sales, and that sort of turned into development for a financial services company, and then that brought me to Gateway just because I love amusement parks and I love the industry. Outside of work, I do a lot of community theater. I help run a theater about a half an hour south of where Gateway is.
80% of my impressions are 20% Bernie Sanders, and it's not right.
One of the things I've noticed that folks might not be aware of in Galaxy 7.3 is the ability to copy your visual ID from the journal. Now, previously to Galaxy 7.3, you were always able to do this by going into your journal, finding your visual ID right here, opening it up, and selecting it here. Whoops, selecting it here, and right-clicking and copying, which is all fine and that's great, but it takes a little time. You can now just right-click right here, and it copies the visual ID, and you don't have to worry about, did I copy a space into it or anything like that. So you just right-click, copy your visual ID, and then go along your merry way. You can use that in Ticket Lookup, or you can use that in the Multipark example I'm about to show you right now. So when you're setting up a multi-park environment and you've got a bunch of different gates and maybe you're crossing over and things like that, I find the change ACP function is very, very easy. With your select function thing right here, your change ACP function, so you take that function, you throw it on your menu. Maybe you've got your own online menu for testing on your SA machine. So you have your change ACP in, right here, and we just paste our visual ID, and now we have entered the aquarium, and now we click change ACP, and we can simulate a user journey and go, for example, from the aquarium over to the zoo. And we just paste our visual ID in here, and we've crossed over. And now we want to go back to the aquarium. And we get our re-entry right here. And so this change ACP number allows you to take your user all the way around your park without having to go in and change operations, and then all your reporting works out correctly so that the right ACP that you want to generate the usage on is generating that usage. So there you go. Happy testing.